Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki, and today we're going from big to small.
A few weeks ago we made this alternative A-frame Christmas tree, and it turned out so well that we thought, wouldn't it be cool to make a tiny version of it?
And that's exactly what we did, but instead of using screws and nails, it's all done with hot glue.
We want to give a shout out to SureBonder for sponsoring today's project.
Let's get started.
We'll be using a 1/4 by 2 inch poplar wood board and 3 3/8 inch by 36 inch square wood dowels. We'll be using a multi-tool to cut the wood and a SureBonder 60-watt cordless glue gun. The first step is to cut 4 14-inch wood dowels. Next, we cut 8 2.5 inch long pieces from the wood dowel for the crossbars. Then we lightly sanded the ends and sides. For the mini shelves, we cut the poplar board to 9 inch, 7 inch, and 5 inches long. We're using a cordless multi-tool to make the cuts, but you could also use a miter box and handsaw. Here are all our materials cut and ready to be assembled. We turned on our SureBonder glue gun and laid out our pieces and started to glue. We laid both side by side to be sure the pieces were placed equally. We're using the SureBonder wood glue to get a nice strong hold on this project. To attach them, we glued a tiny hinge on the top using the SureBonder Tough Stick glue. We set up the frame and added the shelves. The great thing about this glue is we don't have to wait long for it to set up. And here it is, cute as can be. We added some paint and decorations, and it's done. It turned out way cuter than we expected, and we found plenty of mini items to decorate it with.
What we learned.
One of the things that really impressed us about this company was that they have a variety of adhesives. I think most of us think of glue, hot glue, as just one particular stick, but they have adhesives for construction, for wood glue, for tough situations. Hot glue is not just for crafting anymore.
Yeah. And this is really cute for Christmas, and we'll probably use it each year for Christmas. But what's nice is you can use this year round. I could totally see this in my windowsill in my kitchen. I could put some succulents on it, or I could put some herbs, or a little miniature collection. It could be used really for a lot of different things.
I've been testing these hot glue guns and adhesives for about a week now, and I just realized that I haven't gotten burned. And on a regular basis, when I use a normal hot glue gun, I always burn myself. SureBonder has put on an insulated tip on those glue guns, and I really feel like that's what's happening, is I'm not accidentally touching the tip and I'm not getting burned.
So if you like this project and you want to see more from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com and subscribe right here on YouTube. Click the bell and you'll be alerted to all our new projects.